Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve questions on location of center of mass from the module. Let's look at this question. Three identical spheres, each of radius r, are placed touching each other on a horizontal table. Okay, this is a horizontal table and these three spheres are touched with each other. The coordinate of center of mass are. Okay, how will you find out the coordinates of center of mass? See, here for this sphere, the coordinates are, let's say this is sphere 1. The coordinates are, this is the origin, we can take it as the origin. And for this sphere, what are the coordinates? This distance is 2r and on the y-axis, this is 0. So the sphere 2, it is 2r and 0, right? Now here, what will be the coordinates of this one? Okay, here we can see this is having length 2r. So let me draw this triangle separately here, like this. This length is 2r, this length is also 2r, and this length is also 2r. Now that means this angle is 60 degree because all sides are equal. That means this is a equilateral triangle. So now this point, this is 2r cos 60, that will be r, right? So this is at a distance r, so x coordinate of this is r. And what is the y coordinate? That will be 2r sin 60. 2r sin 60 is 2 times r into root 3 by 2. So this will be root 3r. Okay, so for sphere 3, the coordinates are, for sphere 3, the coordinates are r and root 3r. These are the coordinates for the sphere 3. So let's find out the center of mass. So the center of mass coordinates are x, u, m will be, these all are identical spheres, right? So let me write m into 0, this is the mass of the sphere, plus m into 2r plus m into r divided by 3m. So this one will be 3mr by 3m. So this one will be r. What will be the YCOM? YCOM is equal to m times 0 and 0, right? Because both the spheres are having y coordinate to be 0. Okay, center of mass of these both spheres is having y coordinate 0. Now for this one, we have to use y coordinate this, root 3r. So this is m into root 3r divided by 3m. So this one will be root 3r by 3. So this is r by root 3. Okay. So the XCOM and YCOM are r and r by root 3. This is the coordinates. So r by r root 3. R and r by root 3. D is the correct option. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to our channel to get more questions and more solutions like this.